Jonan and classmates. For this week's revision, I took into consideration the feedback that I received from Jessica and Perry about flow and whatnot in the modules that I have set up. So I want to just kind of show you what I've done so far. We'll use module 1 as an example here. So here's the video that basically says looking for the things that are obvious, right? And in module 1, because it's the beginning of the module, it just basically welcomes you to the module and it doesn't talk about a previous module. But the goal was to go, as we move forward, to be able to tell you what you just got done in the first module and then move on to the next module. So what I did here is I welcomed you to the first module, and then I said, or I welcomed you to module 2, and then I said in module 1 you looked at the environment and so on and so on. Where before I had the second part of this start right here, I decided to make it its own paragraph. My goal was to be able to kind of separate and say, okay, this is what you've done up to this point, welcome, and this is what you've done up to this point. Now as we move forward into the module, this is what you're going to do. In addition, I did that in every single module. So if we went through module 3 and 4 and 5, you'll see that. There was a suggestion in module 5. Everybody liked or Jessica mentioned she liked my happy feet, and the reason I used this particular video, and not a Buzz Lightyear video in particular, was because this video showed how we started really small steps, little things, and kind of how it all built together to create a big product. So I really like this video. Didn't really want to change it, but you will see a change where I brought in a Buzz Lightyear video here in just a minute. I also used, again, welcome, and then talked about what you've done, and then in module 5, this is where we're going to do implementing, revising, and evaluating. Okay. So now with that said, one thing I did do is I decided to make some changes from last week's modules and revisions, and that is in the course wrap-up. So here we are in the course wrap-up, and I'm just going to click on this so we can get through there. Almost there. So I changed this video. This is where Buzz Lightyear came in, because I listened to what Elaine had to say, and I agree with what Elaine had to say, that the video, although it was kind of a good video, it depicted a little bit too much violence, and the whole intent of the course is to prevent and or de-escalate a situation. And so I also changed a little bit of wording in this PowerPoint presentation to be a little bit better and softer. For instance, do not work, I kind of like the cat thing. And then I said great plan. I kept, the A-Team reference because there's an earlier theme with Mr. T and cats. So that's it for my revisions for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.